Dominica! It's Chu here, and we've been to over 70 countries traveling the world affordably, but this time we're in Dominica. Waterfalls, rope rappels, crystal clear pools hidden inside a jungle canyon. This is canyoneering in Dominica, and it might be the most underrated adventure in the entire Caribbean. What's up, explorers? Welcome back to my channel. It's Chu here from Choose to Explore, where I teach you guys how to see the world and save a dollar. So we are here in the beautiful island of Dominica, and let me tell you, this island is known as the Adventure Island because it's the most volcanic island in the Caribbean. It's lush and green, it has waterfalls, it has everything that my adventure junkies need and want. Now for this trip, I actually left the Queen behind. Unfortunately, but don't be mad at me, but I got my boy Abel here with me. And today we're going to be doing one of the most crazy adventurous things that you can do in the Caribbean, and especially on the island. So if you guys want to know what a canyoneering experience is like here in Dominica and why you should do it, stay tuned. You don't want to miss this one, guys. Canyoneering is an activity I've never done, and most people have never heard of it. Canyoneering is navigating through canyons using a mix of swimming, hiking, rappelling down waterfalls, jumping into pools, and sliding down natural rock slides. No experience needed, just a willingness to go for it. The first thing we had to do was get dressed. They provided all safety equipment with our experience.
Honey, where's my super suit? Frodo! Yeah! Boy, I'm like, dang, this is tight. I feel like a bad bee in the 2000s trying to get into the club.
Hold on, she about to help you right now.
All right, so we got the safety briefing. We look like superheroes, maybe Smackdown, maybe Frozone, maybe, I don't know, but we're ready. We got the Velcro, we got the harness, we got Natalie here who's gonna show us a good time, and let's see what this gets into. She says it's gonna be 7 different canyons, right? 7 different, and then 5 that you can jump, or for 5 that you can grapple down, 2 that you could jump into, so it sounds like a world of adventure, so let's get into it.
This island has 365 rivers, one for every day of the year. Over thousands of years, those rivers have carved through volcanic rock, creating these narrow hidden canyons tucked behind a jungle canopy that most people will never see. It's a playground that nature literally built.
Let's try to get real. Alright, so we made it alive. We didn't die. Yo, the days just get better and better, y'all. Like I'm telling you. Yo, but we're in the gorge right now, y'all. It's amazing. Look at that waterfall right next to us. Just look at the views here. My bad. Now you good? But that rock is slippery. But y'all can do it so far. We only on the first one. So we just did that one. And Natalie, you got me, right?
Yes.
All right, here's the first jump.
Look with your eyes where you would like to reach.
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Woo! All right, so that was the first jump. What you think about that one, Abel?
I'm a good out of 6 out of 10. I know it's gonna be more fun.
Yeah, that's right. We can't rate it too high because that's the first one. But man, this is gorgeous, and the best part about this is it's just me and Abel. We got the gorge all to ourselves with Natalie.
You're swimming through crystal clear blue pools, sliding down natural rock formations shaped by centuries of water, jumping off waterfalls, and rappelling down cliffs surrounded by the jungle. All of it is deep inside the forest, places you simply cannot reach any other way.
So one of the most amazing things about this gorge is the way that the light peeks in and you just see it kind of just making this like mysterious glow. But actually before Hurricane Maria, the Category 5 hurricane in 2017 happened, you couldn't see it. It was all forest. So it's unfortunate, but it is beautiful about how the gorge looks now.
Natalie isn't from Dominica. She came to this island, fell in love with it, and decided to build something here. She hand drilled every single rope and route through the canyons herself. She was the first person to canyoneer on the island. She didn't find this experience, she created it. That's the kind of passion that makes a tour unforgettable.
All right, so here's the next one. This one look a little deep. My man look a little nervous. He look a little shook.
Hell no.
Let's look. Yeah, that's a little deep. But don't worry, I got you, my boy. Alright, so this is one of the deepest parts of the whole canyon cave. So, I'm talking too much.
Natalie told us don't be so worried about the jumps, be more worried about the walking. The floor is very slick and slippery, and Belle did not have the right shoes on.
Then I just keep falling in and out. They just took a good man down.
That's my shoe job, I promise you. These joints are slippery. He got some shoes that got grip. Going on this waterfall, y'all. Alright, y'all, so we just came through this one right here. It's called the shower, because the water like hits you like you literally in the shower. Check it out. Bro, is this your first shower the whole trip? Nah, this is my first shower like this though. Alright, so we've been grappling, we've been jumping, and guess what's next? A slide, y'all! Tell me when we go slide. So Natalie gave us the option. You could either walk down this, or you could go over there and jump. What you want to do? We jumping, my boy. We jumping. Let's go. I'm jumping in the middle. Right there. I'm ready. All ready.
Everything you're moving through was shaped by volcanic activity. Dominica has the highest concentration of volcanoes in the Caribbean, and the rivers that carve the canyons flow through that same volcanic landscape. You're not just going through an adventure activity, you're literally moving through the geology of the island.
If he looks confused, it's because he's having a hard time listening and following directions right here. So what did she say? Let me just make sure. What did she say to do?
Yeah, I'm going to tell you.
She said, put both of these. Oh yeah?
One for the road.
Okay.
And hold on to the
All right, let's see what happens.
All right.
Look at the drop, y'all. Let's.
Natalie gave us clear instructions, but there's a difference between hearing about it and doing it.
Not paying attention. Natalie, why doesn't he pay attention? What would you give him on a grade? A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E, F.
So now,
A C. Oh, that's passing, my boy. C's get degrees, my boy. So if you see here, this gorge has tons of natural pools, and the way that they are formed is because you have these basalt rocks right here. These are volcanic rocks, and the flowing water makes them circle around, and overall it starts to carve these little pools. But you see them all the way up top here. That's because actually a hurricane and a large flow of water let that got all the way that high, so that's why the pools are right there. It's crazy.
The best thing about Natalie is she never pushed you or rushed you. She let you go at your own pace. Plus, she reassured you that you are safe and can do it. I may have been bullying Belle, but she was the supporting rock we needed.
Alright, so we got the next jump right here. This one look a little crazy. Look at this right here. Straight rock. Listen, sometimes you gotta do it scared, alright? I ain't shook, because I'm built a little different. You feel me? Ready? So I'm just going down the last one now. Just about left. Setting them up. Look how big this one is. Well, we were lucky to have you and just you. Okay. Listen, Natalie was the first person to do canyoneering here on the island, and all of these things that we've been climbing, all of these things we've been grappling, she got a drill and drilled them into the wall for us to do. So this is amazing, and lucky we got the OG Natalie on the tour with us, guiding us, the only instructor on the island. So you say what we say, right? Okay, but normally how long would this take people to do?
Around 2 hours a night.
2.5.
And you take only 1 a night, so that's why I say you.
And we only did it in 1.5. That's that good work, y'all. No tattoos, no piercings, no nothing. But I'm in Dominica, so I gotta get my first one. All natural though.
I give you this shot.
Oh yeah, give me. But look. Young boy tatted up, all natural. And don't worry, after this long hike, we'll get you some coffee, all natural. Look right here, strictly from the tree. Red, you got green. Yo, these one's not ripe yet. I would eat one, but I ain't gonna do that. I don't drink coffee. Alright, so we made it back to the car. Let me tell you, that was one of the best experiences I had. My time here in Dominica has been fire because every single day the experiences have been getting better and better, and this just showed it. How you thought it was?
This was a 10 out of 10, y'all. From the jumps to Natalie to like the water, like it was dope. You'll never see something like that ever.
So please support this small woman-owned business on the island, and definitely come and check out the island of Dominica. So thank you guys so much for checking out our channel. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.